expat can invest in Qatar Stock Exchange. I'll explain you how to be a company shareholder in Qatar. Stay tuned. First question arises, who can invest in Qatar? Qatar economy is fastest growing in the world. Now the question is, who can be a part of Qatar economy by investing in Qatar Stock Exchange? If you are a Qatari or non-Qatari resident or non-resident in Qatar, you can be part of Qatar economy by trading securities listed on Qatar Stock Exchange. Just for suggestion, I am naming some of the companies in Qatar. Some of the companies you can invest in are banks such as QNB, Commercial Bank of Qatar, or some leading companies such as Baladna, Almira, Barwa Holdings, Orido, and Vodafone. You can invest in any of these companies or any other company. Before moving on, please like and share this video and also subscribe to this channel. The next question is, what is the minimum investment cost? The good news is that there is no minimum amount you need to invest in the stock market. Making a trade will cost you 0.00275% of the total price of the trade. If this percentage of the total price of the trade is less than 30 Riyal, then you will have to pay 30 Riyal for the transaction fee. The next question is how to become an investor. Step 0. I have mentioned it step 0 because this is the prerequisite. Open a bank account, or the chances are you already have an existing current or savings in one of the banks in Qatar. After that, get an IBAN statement. Step 1. How to register at Qatar Central Securities Depository. To begin trading on QSE, it is also mandatory for a potential investor, whether an individual or a company or any other establishment, to get registered at Qatar Central Securities Depository. For that, visit QCSD with your passport and Qatar ID. There you will fill out the new shareholder application form. With this application form and other documents, you will pay 100 Riyals as a fee. After giving these documents, you will receive the National Investor Number, known as NIN. Step 2. How to open a trading account. To get started, you need to open a trading account with one of the member brokerage firms, who will act as your financial intermediary for all your trading activities on Qatar Stock Exchange. The brokers will walk you through activating your account, funding it, and making trades. At present, Qatar Stock Exchange has 8 licensed stockbroker firms. Step 3. Start trading. Once you are registered with the Qatar Central Securities Depository and have chosen a stockbroker, you can trade with confidence on Qatar Stock Exchange. Now, once you have started investing on Qatar Stock Exchange, it is very crucial to track your transactions. QSE provides a variety of tools of keeping track of the performance of your investment. One option is QSE website. QSE website provides real-time information. If you want delayed information, you can monitor the movement of stock prices at any time using computer, or you can obtain share prices from your local daily newspaper. It is very important to keep an eye on QSE index on a regular basis because the index reflects the overall performance of the market. So hopefully this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to see all the licensed stockbroker firms in the description. Thanks for watching. Take care.